Welcome guys, in front of me I have Huawei smartphone, and today I'll show you how fast and how easy you can scan a very QR code. So at the first you have to go for the app gallery, then skip the ad that pops and tap on the search bar and type QR code. Go for the search and you have to get one of these app, for example this one, free QR code barcode. If you download this application you have to open it. And if you get some kind of notification that you have get access to the camera, you have to accept it, and then you have to be in the scan in the left corner. And now just let's grab, for example, this QR code, and then put your your phone like that, and as you can see it will scan automatically. You don't even have to click on anything. And as right now we can open the browser, we can copy this, the phrase, we can share it. Let's open. And as you can see, that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!